Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to export high quality video in Adobe Animate. So for crisp vector lines and perfect colors, use these settings in the export window. So we will go to the file, then to the export, and then export video and media, just like so. Then what we have here, we will change this format to um, we can change it to H264. This is standard sharing, or this one QuickTime is if you need a lossless archive copy. Then here we have preset. We can select uh, match source high bitrate, like this one, for example, right here. Match source. Then, yeah, what else we have here? We will do where we want to save that. Render size we have here. Um, so you can ignore stage colors if you want to export transparency, and this requires then the QuickTime option here. Also check the render size here. You can adjust it how you want it, and yeah, this is pretty much it. Then when you are finished with those settings, just hit on export button and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.